Today, I'm gonna show you how to cook teriyaki chicken. Teriyaki sauce is very popular in Japan. Teriyaki sauce tastes salty sweet. Broil the chicken thigh with the sauce based on soy sauce and make it glazy. It goes very well with rice. Both kids and adults love this taste. If you get a chance, please give it a try. Season with salt and pepper and coat chicken thigh with flour. First, I'm gonna show you the ingredients: chicken thigh and soy sauce and mirin and sake. That's all. It's very easy, isn't it? Heat oil over medium heat in a frying pan. Grill first the skin side of the chicken. Get a little charcoal, then flip it. Add a sake and cover and heat on low heat for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of mirin and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And add water. At this stage, pour the sauce several times over the skin side of the chicken using a spoon to let the flavor blend in, and also to add luster to the skin side of the chicken. When the sauce is thickened and is no longer left in the frying pan, it is ready to be served. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to the channel.